Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing this look for today's video. I have planned this look for Makar Sankranti or Pongal, or in general if you're planning to wear any yellow outfit, then I think this video is for you. I've kept in mind to do a very subtle and neutral base so that anybody can pull this off. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have already done my skin prep, so I'm diving directly to the makeup part. For primer, I'm going to be taking Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. This braces is giving me a pain, man. Now leave that to rest for about like 5 minutes. So next step is I'm directly going into foundation because this is little festive, low-key kind of a look. So I'm not going to go extremely detailed. So it's going to be simple, easy to do, probably like 10 to 15 minutes kind of a makeup look. For foundation, I'm going to be taking Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230. I'm going to put this back of my hand so that I don't end up using a lot. And then I'm just going to go dot-wise apply. And then take my beauty blender. Also, I'm not taking the completely round one. This has like a flat side, this side. So first I'm gonna tap whatever is there in my hand and then blend this all. Okay, next step is concealer. For concealer, I'm going to be using Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in this shade 5 and I think it's some sand. Now I'm not sure. As I'm slightly blind, I'm going to use my big mirror. I don't know where is my kutti mirror, so ignore the mirror. I'm going to go like small dot over here, there, near my inner corner, and go like one line near my outer corner. Same thing I'm going to be doing here. Then over here. Then slightly on the center only. I'm going to go with the same blender and use this tip. Then using the same concealer, I'm going to do the face. Near the forehead, I'm going to go like a V. And concealer on my cheek below my cheekbone. Then on my nose, slightly on my chin. The same blender, I'm going to blend it. For contour, I'm going to go with this brown. This is actually my eyebrow palette brown. But for this look, I thought of going with a powder contour then a liquid contour that I generally use. So if you're watching this video and if you're planning to buy each and every product for your makeup, you really don't need so many products. Even if you have an eyeshadow and if it's like your contour color, that should be fine. So I took some. I'm just going to tap it back of my hand so that I don't have excess the brush. And then I'm going to first do my cheekbone where I'm just going to pat it with this kutti brush. And then I'm going to do my nose from the eye part till the nose bridge. And it also enhances your look. And slightly on my forehead also. This part you can skip if you don't want. Okay, next is eyes. Kutti disclaimer before I do my eyes. I am going to be doing neutral eye makeup and I am just going to add one color of yellow or green. The neutral one, what I'm going to do, you can do the same thing. For example, if I'm using yellow color with that neutral thing, whichever color dress you're wearing, you can just switch with that color. First, I'm going to go with this dark shade that is over here. And I'm going to go tap first on the outer corner till only the center of my eyelid. And then start pushing it in. Then round. I'm gonna go till the center. Then with the same palette, I'm gonna go with this light shade, which is very similar to my skin tone, and do it only on the inner corner of my eyes till the center. First, I'm gonna do pat, and then I'm going to smudge it with the color that I applied before. and smudge the near the eyebrow bone with the same color. Next, I'm going to be going with this brown color, and I'm going to be doing this only in the outer corner of my eyes, not even till center, only outer corner, and I'm going to be tapping it. Next, with the first cream skin tone that we took, we're going to smudge out the brown completely for the entire eyes. Next, for some color pop, I'm going to be using this yellow here, or whenever you're doing this, you can choose whichever color dress you're wearing. According to that, you can take the color. I'm not going to be taking a lot, otherwise it will start clashing. Wherever I applied light color, I'm just going to go slightly tap, and I'm not going to be making it a lot pigmented. It should look like there's yellow color, but at the same time, it should not look that there is yellow color. And I'm just going to smudge it off in my fingers only. Now you get that color change. With the same brown that we took for the ending part, I'm just gonna go and do my lower lashes. Next, for some shimmer, I'm going to be taking this gold, which is slightly pigmented. I'm going to put it on just on the center of the eyes with the fingers and blend it. Next step is eyeliner. I'm just going to go with normal wing eyeliner. I'm not going to go with mascara because I feel it's going to be very heavy for a simple look. So I'm just going to take my eyeliner and just do this with the eyeliner so that it looks like the lashes do get some volume. At the same time, it's not I'm going to be wearing mascara. Next, I'm going to go with kajal and apply completely. Personally, I just feel kajal will bring that traditional looks, and if you personally don't like wearing kajal, you can just skip this. The same golden that I took for my center of the eyes, I'm going to take with a small brush and just place it in the inner corner of my eyes. We're finally done with the eyes. Now I'm going to go with my lips. As I wore a little yellow saree, I feel with yellow red lips look actually very good, but at the same time it's going to pop out a lot and look it will stand out. So instead of the entire lips, I'm just going to outline my lips with this red lip liner and then apply a nude shade on top of that so that it all settles down and sits well together. Slightly with my fingers, I'm just gonna smudge it so that it doesn't look like there's like line. Now that we have slight pop of red, we'll just take a nude shade. This is my shade, which is from Maybelline, and apply it only in the center of the lips. Yeah, so that's for the lips. See, if you apply just red, it's gonna like scare people. So this is one trick if you want to wear red at the same time look subtle. Next, I'm gonna go with blush. For that, I'm gonna be taking slight nude color. This is actually my eyeshadow palette. Apply on top, slightly on the nose. Last, I'm gonna do my brows. So from this eyebrow palette, I'm gonna be taking brown and black. First, I'm gonna brush my brows and then mix brown and black and then just add it in the gaps. I'm not gonna go from starting, only from center and end. And then again comb the extras. I personally like bushy eyebrows, so I just enhance the eyebrows that I have. So see the difference. For bindi, I'm gonna go a little tradition. I'm already feeling like I'm looking like a mommy, so I'm gonna go with this very old school bindi, if you wanna call it. and apply Shringar below it. For Shringar, I am not going to go apply directly from this. I'm going to take my eyeliner brush, take it from this and apply below so that I get a proper V. For that, I'm going to go with one 50 dot and then join. Now that we are done with the look, I'll quickly go do my hair and wear some more jewels to make it festive perfect. I did not do like major hair. I just putty clip. I just wished I had Mallipu with me right now, but I'm actually shooting this at 2 a.m. so I didn't have at home. But if at all you have, make sure you wear it. If at all you're doing this look. And I wore one Kutti pearl choker with this jhumke that I wore from the beginning. That's it for today's Makar Sankranti and Pongal look. What do you think about this look? Please let me know in the comments below. I'm not able to actually talk a lot because there's some additional thing that got installed to my braces, so I'm hardly able to speak or smile. So please forgive me on that if ever you feel I'm stammering. Happy Makar Sankranti and happy Pongal to everyone. If you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.